Irina Fort and back. Happy Valentine's Day. So, we're here in Soler North and me and Ate Almira is here to pamper ourselves because we don't have a date. So, this is just for self-love. And also, we also brought Papa and Mama and also the whole family to celebrate Valentine's here. But yes, it's me and Ate Almira's time to, unwind. And then we will have a body massage and body scrub, and this is also a good way to start the year para ready tayo sa laban this 2025. Minsan lang kami magpa-spa. So this is my locker, guys. So I have my things. Let's go. Pwede ka ba sa... Magbibis na ba ngayon?
Dito po yung kachili.
Bibis lang ako, guys. I'm just gonna change.
It's a self-love. Go, Iron. Self-love kaming dalawa.
Sister's love.
Let's go. Happy Valentine's.
Calling out my future husband. Shut up! So I'm just gonna enjoy my time with my sister for now. Since in the future, it's you and me. Shut up! So we have Miss Katrina.
So ano mas maganda? Sauna muna before.
Dreamers, so we have sauna. You know, dreamers, we usually don't go to like this kind of place, but since my body is so painful, I think I really need this. It's so good here. This is the... Actually, guys, nag-vlog na lang ako. Hindi na ako mag-ano. This is the cold plunge. And then the hot plunge. So, later, I'll show you. I will dive in later. I think we're gonna go to sauna first. And then... Ate, mag-sauna mo muna tayo.
Pero shower to.
And then we're gonna have... Thank you, Ate.
Shower na muna tayo.
Parang gusto ko to i-try. I wanna try this, guys. So, dreamers, wait. If you're watching, I'm just gonna take a shower. I can't bring you there. Wait. Okay, we're gonna go to sauna. Can we bring this phone?
Yeah.
You know what? What I like here in Soler, they're allowing us to film.
Yes,
It's nice. Oh, I love the heat.
This is really hot. Like,
Oh, I love it.
it's a sauna, guys, and it's gonna make your pores smaller.
Wow.
After this, we're gonna do cold plunge or hot plunge. Wow, I don't know what
This is a very, very relaxing moment of my life for the past 10 years of my life.
Yes,
10
night
years.
to pamper.
Grabe, my God, I love it. And let's manifest that very soon we can buy our own sauna.
Wala, I think 250 to there's no 10 minutes.
Dito? Wala pa naman tayo 1 minute, di ba mga be? Anyways, happy Valentine's, guys. I love it here. So, yan.
You can see my bare face.
So, ako na po ang bagong endorser na Soler. Soler sauna.
Ay, ganda dyan ako naman. Aling gusto ko
Ay, di na. Nainitan na ako tapos. Ginawang photoshoot yung sauna. Aling ka nakakainit!
Hindi ba pwedeng maligo? Kasi,
Hindi, ay, mainit yan. Kaya, 1, 2, 3. Wow, 1, 2, 3. Ano ka yung palikod? Ano ka dyan? 1, 2, 3. Okay, ganda. Isa pa. So, dreamers, after sauna, we are here in the pool. So guys, it's February 15. Dito namin celebrate yung Valentine's Day with Mama and Papa and the whole family. So ngayon, kami ni Ate Mears. Nagbabanding kami. Wala kaming choice eh. Kami lang din naman.
Ay, ganda ko.
Uy, ako naman. Ang sarap ng ano niya. I love the warmness of the water. Warmness of the water. The temperature of the water. It's so perfect, like. Ako naman magpipicture. So guys, after this, we're gonna go to body scrub and body massage. So I'll see you there. So we're going now to the
Place here. And kindly fill out this consultation form.
Thank you, Ate.
Pwede po ba ng hot tea, ma'am? You have the ginger lemongrass. Sige. Ate, saan yung robe mo? Sige po. Dalang ko na. Thank you.
Nice, guys. So, may ganyan. Go, Ate Mears. This is the waiting area before the massage. So we're just gonna fill up something and then we're gonna go there. Bala ko pa naman pumunta ng Japan. So, hindi na. Char lang din.
Water ko tsaka ate, okay. Fruits meron. Thank you. Kuha lang po ito ng bacho. Tsaka siya ko nagigit kung ako nag-winter.
Thank you. Thank you po. Wow. So this is the perks of being a woman. We always want massage, scrub. Pero alam mo ate, nakita ko doon. Te, yung body scrub, iba yung bayad sa body massage. So, mga 10K. Mga 10.
Yung sa atin package.
Package yun?
6.5 na lang.
Ah,
With body scrub and
okay. So, it's confirmed, guys. It's only 6,500 for the package.
informative information.
And then they have salon. So, after the massage and everything, you can go to the salon and then fix the hair. Because we have a live stream tonight for the Valentine's special live stream on our YouTube channel.
It's so soothing. Must try this.
But you know, sometimes, if I'm experiencing like this, in my mind, I hope my dogs can experience this too. I hope Bobo can experience this too.
Minsan lang tayo mapapper, so might as well let's enjoy.
Next time doon natin sila mama. Si mama kasi pag nakaupo na doon, di na ano eh.
Pag nagpipipinto na si mama eh.
See you later sa room ko, guys. See you later. Massage time na, guys. Ba't ganun? Wow. I think this is really for couples, but for
sisters as well.
for siblings as well. So, dito sila ate. Hello po. Sila po yung So guys, tapos na kami. Sobrang na-relax ako. I was so Dreamers, my camera was low bad. So we're done with the body massage and all I can say is it's worth it. OMG. I don't wanna go home.
Great. Parang gusto ko na tumuloy sa pagtulog. Pero may work pa kami.
I don't wanna wake up. Sabi ko nga, I fell asleep and I don't wanna wake up. Because we have live stream later. But
it's the best experience.
The best treat for yourself this Valentine's Day or maybe any occasion or just any normal day, guys. You treat yourself because it's
so thank you for watching. Bagito ko na. Thank you for watching my vlog. Self-love and life is beautiful. So thank you, Solaire North. Not a sponsor ad, but you should go here.
Yes, guys, you can treat your mama, your sister like this.
Self-love.
You can treat yourself because you deserve it, guys, because you always work hard like me and like 40 Impact, so we deserve this. And this 2025, why not treat yourself here in Solaire North? This is not sponsored, but I love Solaire North because they always support us. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And now we are ready for our live stream.